ngayong araw na ito, na simula ng ating selebrasyon, palagi nating isipin at ilagay sa ating mga puso at isipan kung ano ba talaga ang rason kung bakit tayo nagsiselebrate ng foundation anniversary ng ating lalawigan.
My distinct honor and privilege to welcome you all to the 26th Tinalak Festival and 59th founding anniversary of our beloved province.
dapat lang at tama lang na dapat pasalamatan natin ang ating mga katutubo na nanggaling talaga dito sa lalawigan ng South Cotabato na ngayon ay nagsisimbolo ng pagkakaisa ng lahat ng tribo. Mga katutubo, mga Kristiyano at Muslim ay nagkaisa para sa isang napakagandang lalawigan.
The Tinalak Festival is more than just a celebration. It is a living expression of heritage. It aims to promote and preserve cultural heritage of our Tiboli people and honors the diverse communities that make our province truly unique. Through harmonious blend of art, music, and dance, the Tinalak Festival reflects our unity in diversity and showcases the creativity and the resilience of our people, especially our IPs, who are the heart of this tradition. Again, congratulations, Governor Tamayo, the board members, the provincial government, for this wonderful opening of the Tinalak Festival na i-enjoy ng karamihan. Tinalak Festival that they will remember.
Happy Tinalak Festival 20